In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate images in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to quickly reuse the same image in your edit without importing it again or dragging in a fresh copy, this is a very simple technique that can save you time. Duplicating an image directly on the timeline is useful when you're building slideshows, creating repeated visual elements, or just extending your edit with the same graphic in multiple places. To begin, go to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve and locate the image you want to duplicate. Make sure you're clicking on the actual image clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. This is important because if nothing is selected, or if you accidentally select the wrong clip, you may end up copying something else instead. Once the image is selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. This tells DaVinci Resolve to take that exact clip, along with its timeline placement settings, and prepare it to be pasted wherever you want. This is the fastest method if you already know you want an identical copy of that image. Next, move to the spot on the timeline where you want the duplicate to appear. You can place it later in the same track, or in another position, depending on how your project is arranged. Just make sure your playhead is positioned where you want the pasted version to go, because that will help you place the duplicate more accurately. Then press Ctrl and V to paste the image. As soon as you do that, DaVinci Resolve will create a duplicate of the selected image clip and place it onto the timeline at that location. And that's it. The image has now been duplicated. If needed, you can repeat the same copy and paste process as many times as you want. This is especially helpful when you're working on edits that use the same picture multiple times throughout a video. It keeps your workflow fast and avoids unnecessary extra steps. One quick tip is to zoom in on your timeline if you want more precise placement, especially if you're working with short durations or tightly timed edits. That can make it easier to drop the duplicate exactly where you need it. And that's how to duplicate images in DaVinci Resolve quickly and easily.